Morning, man. How you doing? How you been?
Good.
Good. Can't complain. So what you got, man? What happened?
Crazy. I got a spare on the other side. So I think it might be the alignment or something.
Alignment?
It might be. I'm not sure.
Okay. So what happened?
I was just driving, and then I pulled up like into this neighborhood, and the neighborhood had like a little hill that was kind of like to the side of the curb. It wasn't a curb though. It was just the hill to go up the neighborhood, and I just pulled up, and then it just broke off.
It just broke?
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, the CV axle. I saw the picture, so I see the CV axle need to be done because it's sticking out. And the control arm, like I figured. This piece here at the bottom. Might be okay. That might be it right there.
Okay.
That outer tie rod. Oh yeah, that's busted. The tie rod busted too now. So need a tie rod, the outer tie rod.
Okay, how much is that?
I can look it up for you.
Okay.
But the tie rod shouldn't be much. I ain't gonna charge you too much to do it. But yeah, man.
This shit crazy.
You gotta be careful, man. I know one thing. Once you hear popping and hear some noises in that front end, you wanna take care, like address the issue, because this can happen, and you put other people in danger, at risk. So, but I got you, man. I got you for sure. I can get you back on the road.
Alright, I appreciate it. For real.
I already got the control on. Yeah, the control arm. I gotta go pick up the CV axle.
Okay, that's fine.
And the tie rod.
Okay.
So.
And I work in here. I do hair, so I'm gonna be doing my claim.
Okay. Cool.
So
All right,
go
bet.
there right now.
All right.
Just let me know if you need anything.
All right, man. Let me get your key. I almost forgot. Let you do locks and stuff?
Yeah, I do everything.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. Okay. Need to get a card from me. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Alright, man, so this is gonna be a simple job. Simple for me anyway. Control arm, CV axle already popped out. Just gotta pop out the back side, get the CV axle nut out. Let's get it. Alright, look at what we got. Look at that. So this ball joint is supposed to be in the lower control arm at this point. So got to get all this undone. Look at that play in that inner tie rod. I knew it needed it. So we're gonna knock this strap off and get this cover off here, like so. Pull it off. I'm gonna just use my monkey wrench, baby. This will work. Just like that. All that play. Going back in with it. And we just use a zip tie. I'm gonna take this off and put a zip tie behind there. Make sure you count the threads or count your turns when you're taking them off. I believe this is the cause of this right here, the ball joint. What y'all think? Alright, we gotta get the CV axle from back here. And then it's a bracket. We gotta get those bolts out the bracket. I'm gonna fly through that real quick. Man, look at all this oil. Woo wee. I mean, it's on the alternator, the AC compressor, all over the pull. Oh man, that's terrible. All right, that's bolt number 3. All right, it's coming. I don't know if you can see that, but that pump is in the way. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm gonna just get behind here, because now I got a little bit more clearance and I can work with it. Try to tap it out. Boom. There it is, all that rust. Alright, there we go. There we go. Look at that, all that rust. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put these bolts back in there. So that popped out of there like that. And new. Matching up. So you can just put some bearing grease on that axle there. It's all the way back. Alright, so we gotta take off these 2 bolts here from the strut. Alright. See, we get that in there. And now we can put that back on.
So I'm putting it right there, okay?
Okay.
Alright. You do everything?
I do.
Alright. Any part of town?
I'm sorry?
Any part of town?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I'm gonna get the parts in there.
Okay. Alright, so they give you a new bolt for that ball joint. Man, look at all this rust and its piston, its calipers. Woo. Rotors. Need it all, man. Need it all. Alright, man, that's it. Just like that.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Ain't no problem. They in the trunk, okay. Is the battery dead? You need to jump?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll jump it for you.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. You need another tire too, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna get another one today.
You know you leaking oil bad.
Really?
Didn't I tell you that last time? I thought I could have swore I told you. So you leaking from your valve cover gasket. They leaking bad. You losing oil. A lot of oil.
Okay.
For real. So you wanna take care of that, man.
Okay.
Need brakes and rotors. Yo, man, it's a lot of rust on this car.
My shit old.
Yeah, it's a lot of rust. Let me show you. So now we got remnants of coolant. That's coolant from these hoses. You got remnants. All of this here, oil. You got 2 valve covers. That's 1. And it's a V6. It's 2 on the back side. So that cover need to come off. Put new gaskets on so it'll hold the oil in there. Clean up all the areas because this thing been leaking for a while, man. Gotta do air filter.
They fixed that like the last time I went to get the
Oil change, yeah. Okay. Well, you good to go, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm gonna get that shit done.
Yeah. Definitely. Ain't no problem, man.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yep, you do the same.
We have emotion, man.